The world watched with bated breath as history unfolded before their eyes, a nation scarred but unbowed, rising from the ashes of conflict. Ukraine, on April 30th, 2025, took a monumental stride toward a future free from the grip of conflict. The streets of Kyiv were filled with jubilant celebrations, a testament to the indomitable spirit of its people. The signing of the US-Ukraine Resource Agreement marked a pivotal moment in the nation's history. This agreement, years in the making, symbolizes a new chapter of cooperation and mutual support, a beacon of hope amidst the ruins, illuminating the path forward for a nation yearning for peace and stability. This landmark accord, a testament to the enduring partnership between the United States and Ukraine, promises to reshape the geopolitical landscape. It carries profound implications for both nations and the broader international community. For Ukraine, it offers a lifeline, a chance to rebuild and recover from the devastation of war, a path to economic recovery, fostering growth and prosperity for future generations. For the United States, it presents an opportunity to strengthen ties with a key ally in a strategically important region, a chance to bolster a vital ally, ensuring stability and security in the face of ongoing challenges, a strategic maneuver in the face of Russian aggression, reinforcing the commitment to defend sovereignty and freedom. This agreement is not merely about resources, it is about resilience, the unyielding determination to rebuild and thrive. It is a powerful symbol of defiance, a clear message to those who seek to undermine Ukraine's sovereignty. A clear message to the Kremlin that Ukraine's spirit cannot be broken. The spirit of Ukraine will not be broken. It stands tall, united, and resolute. The world stands with Ukraine in solidarity and support as it embarks on this new dawn. The US-Ukraine Resource Agreement is comprehensive. It grants the United States privileged access to a treasure trove of Ukraine's vast natural resources: aluminum, graphite, oil, natural gas. These resources, essential for various industries, hold the key to Ukraine's economic revival. The agreement focuses on new ventures, new permits, new licenses, new investment opportunities. It's not about seizing existing assets, it's about partnership, it's about shared prosperity, it's about fueling Ukraine's future. However, the agreement is not a one-way street, it is a mutually beneficial arrangement. The United States gains access to critical resources, Ukraine receives a lifeline, economic support, security assurances, a foundation for a brighter future. This is a win-win. At the heart of this landmark agreement lies the Reconstruction Investment Fund, a pivotal initiative designed to breathe new life into Ukraine's economy. A joint endeavor, a testament to the commitment of both nations, the United States and Ukraine, working hand in hand to ensure a brighter future. This fund, a beacon of hope for the war-torn nation, will play a crucial role in rebuilding infrastructure, creating jobs, and fostering economic stability. It will drive Ukraine's post-war recovery, transforming cities and towns, and restoring the vibrancy of communities. The fund will operate on a simple yet effective principle, ensuring transparency and accountability in every project undertaken. Profits and royalties from new natural resource projects will flow into the fund, providing a steady stream of revenue, 50%. A substantial contribution that will significantly bolster the fund's capacity to finance large-scale reconstruction efforts. These funds will be used judiciously for reconstruction, for rebuilding homes, schools and hospitals, for revitalization, for the future of Ukraine, to create green spaces, modern educational facilities and state-of-the-art healthcare centers. The Reconstruction Investment Fund is more than just a financial instrument. It is a catalyst for change, a driver of progress. It is a powerful symbol, a symbol of international solidarity, showcasing the global community's unwavering support for Ukraine, a symbol of hope for a nation rebuilding, a promise of a better tomorrow for future generations. It sends a powerful message to the world that Ukraine is resilient, determined, and ready to rise from the ashes, Ukraine is open for business. Ukraine is ready to rebuild. Together we can fuel a brighter future. The US-Ukraine Resource Agreement is not just an economic pact, it is a strategic masterstroke, a clear demonstration of US commitment, a commitment to Ukraine's sovereignty, a commitment to European security. This agreement serves as a powerful deterrent, a message to Russia, a message that aggression will not be tolerated, that the United States stands firmly with its allies. The timing of the agreement is crucial. It comes at a time when the world is grappling with uncertainty, when the rules-based international order is under threat. This agreement is a powerful affirmation, an affirmation of the US commitment to a rules-based world order. Section 5, Voices of Resolve. Leaders speak on the deal's significance. The signing of the US-Ukraine Resource Agreement was met with resounding endorsements. Leaders from both nations hailed the deal, a testament to the enduring partnership between the two countries. US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent eloquently articulated the significance of the agreement. This is not just about resources, he stated. It is about sending a clear message. A message that the United States stands with Ukraine. Ukrainian Prime Minister Denis Shmyhal echoed these sentiments. He expressed his gratitude. "This agreement is a lifeline for our nation," he remarked. "It provides us with hope, hope for a brighter future." Section 6, Igniting an Economic Renaissance, Investments for a Reborn Ukraine. The US-Ukraine Resource Agreement is poised to unleash a wave of investments. These investments are not just financial transactions. They represent a commitment to rebuilding and revitalizing a nation that has faced immense challenges. Investments that will breathe new life into Ukraine's shattered economy. This influx of capital will help to rebuild infrastructure, create jobs, and stimulate economic growth across various sectors. The agreement sends a powerful signal to the world. It demonstrates that Ukraine is ready to move forward, to rebuild and to thrive once again. A signal that Ukraine is open for business. This openness will attract entrepreneurs, investors and innovators from around the globe. The Reconstruction Investment Fund will be instrumental. It will serve as a catalyst for large-scale projects that are essential for the country's recovery. It will attract foreign direct investment. It will create jobs. It will provide opportunities for local businesses to grow and prosper. It will spur economic growth. This growth will not only benefit Ukraine, but also contribute to regional stability and development. It will pave the way for a prosperous future, a future where Ukraine stands strong and resilient. The agreement also opens up opportunities for US companies. These companies bring expertise, technology and capital that are crucial for Ukraine's reconstruction. Companies with the expertise and the capital to help rebuild Ukraine. Their involvement will ensure that the reconstruction efforts are efficient and effective. This is a win-win situation for Ukraine, for the United States. Together they will build a brighter, more prosperous future. Section 7, The Long Shadow of Conflict, Navigating a Treacherous Geopolitical Landscape. Even as Ukraine takes strides toward recovery, the shadow of conflict looms large. The ongoing tensions with Russia cast a pall over the region. The situation remains volatile. The US-Ukraine Resource Agreement is not a magic bullet. It will not resolve the conflict overnight. But it is a step in the right direction, a step towards a more stable and secure future. The international community must remain vigilant. It must continue to support Ukraine, both politically and economically. Only then can Ukraine truly rebuild. Only then can peace prevail. Section 8. A New World Order Implications for Global Stability. The US-Ukraine Resource Agreement is more than just a bilateral deal. It has profound implications for global stability. It underscores the shifting dynamics of global power. The agreement signals a deepening of ties between the United States and Ukraine. It also highlights the growing rift between the West and Russia. The agreement is a a testament to the changing geopolitical landscape. The agreement is a wake-up call, a call for the international community to stand united, to uphold the rules-based international order, to oppose aggression in all its forms. Section 9. Stay informed. The unfolding narrative. The US-Ukraine resource agreement is a significant development. It marks a new chapter in the relationship between the two countries. The implications of this agreement will continue to unfold in the months and years to come. Stay informed, follow the latest developments, engage in informed discussions. The future of Ukraine, and indeed the world, may depend on it. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and analysis on this developing story and other important geopolitical events.